Prega News, expert pregnancy care partner, has long been the most trusted brand for women, renowned for our commitment to accuracy and reliability. But today, we are not here to talk about that. We are here to celebrate the beautiful journey of motherhood in all its stages and facets, from conception to parenthood. Every journey is unique. Today, we gather to celebrate, hear, embrace, and acknowledge these diverse stories. Motherhood encompasses many experiences: happiness, pain, sleepless nights, and changes in our bodies, all of which transform us as individuals. It is truly an honor to share this celebration with all of you. Prega News.
Welcome to everyone and welcome to Prega News, that is Pregnancy Expert Partner event. And thanks from my core of my heart who came from AP, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Bangalore and Kerala. Thank you so much, and a big clap for each and everyone, all the mothers who are sitting here, because I can understand that I have seen my mother, how she worked during my childhood, even today also. I have seen my wife, because due to this professional life, out of 25 days, I think 20 days, I keep going here and there. Even today also I am here on Sunday. And full that my family, my parents, my son, everyone is taken care by my wife. So I'm really missing my mother and wife, both of them. And thanks to each of all of you, because being so much busy schedule, having balancing that professional life and personal life, only you can do. I am saying from point of view of male member, a husband, a father, a son cannot do. So hats off to all the mothers who are sitting here. Thank you so much. Organization. 5 minutes I'll talk about this consumer division, this OTC division, how we are performing in India, and 5 minutes about Prega News. That's all. So after 15 minutes, I think the talented actress Kajal Agarwal will be also there. So let's start about first the Mankind Pharma. What is Mankind Pharma? Pharmaceutical industry, Mankind Pharma is the third largest pharma company in India, having a turnover of 10,000 crore. It's a third company as per value-wise. If I talk about prescription-wise, it's a #1 company in India. We are very much strong in all the zone in India, north, east, west, as well as in south. So a big clap first of all for Mankind Pharma. Thank you so much.
Effortlessly. We have all admired her magnetic presence on screen. But today, we have the privilege of delving into her journey as a mother, hailing from North and gracing Telugu cinema with her immense talent. She has won our hearts with her candid and unfiltered interviews. Known for her grace, authenticity, and resilience, she brings a unique blend of warmth and strength to everything she does. Her dedication to her craft, combined with genuine and approachable nature, makes her a beloved figure both on and off the screen. In the spirit of motherhood, Prega News, expert pregnancy care partner, presents Prega for you. We are elated to welcome Kajal Agarwal. Kajal Agarwal is a valued member of Prega News family and firmly believes in its expertise as a trusted partner in pregnancy care. Her endorsement highlights the trust and confidence she has in Prega News for supporting expectant mothers. We are here for you at
Happy to meet all of you. 4 months. Wonderful, wonderful seeing all of you here today. Thanks for waiting. And I see a lot of little ones. Hi. So cute. I miss my little baby now. Okay guys, we can move on.
Okay, Kajal, can I please ask you to? Can I please request everybody from the media to be seated? We will have Kajal up on stage. I really respect if the media please steps back. We will have Kajal up on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause, guys? Come on! Here it is! Here it is. Then can I please request you and Joyce sir to felicitate Kajal? Very special phase in your life, which is motherhood.
Special indeed. Very special. And I'm so happy to share my journey with all my co-moms here. I'm sure we all had very similar experiences, but let's talk about it. Let's have fun today.
How did you determine that you were ready for motherhood? Did you ever think things would change, especially with work? Like we saw the last film where the lady was worried that would she be able to manage. And I think that's one fear that constantly bothers each one of us. Though I must say a huge round of applause for so many women who have come in from different cities. I know you all have taken a 5:45 a.m. flight to get here, left home at 1:30 this morning to be here, and they're doing their jobs like a thorough professional. So really hats off. I think, but would love to know, did
That's
you
what women are all about.
Absolutely.
You go, girl. That's what it's all about. We have to really go out there and do what we believe in. And of course, we have babies who we love very much, but work is work. And we prioritize work and we prioritize ourselves. And that's extremely important. For me, yes, of course, I was worried. How did I know whether I was ready for motherhood? Well, I think I was ready for motherhood when I had my nephew, my sister's baby, my first child, and 7 years ago, I just knew that I wanted this, and I wanted him in my life, and I wanted a little him in my life as well. And I think I was ready for motherhood even before I was ready for marriage.
That's so sweet. What questions did you have before pregnancy? Like when you visited the gynac, did you have like a plethora of questions that you would write like every trimester? That, okay, how does this happen? How does this happen? How does this happen?
Of course, I had a lot of concerns. My pregnancy wasn't a very comfortable pregnancy. I had a lot of nausea, and that bothered me, and I was working. So it was a bit of a discomfort. Not a bit actually, it was very uncomfortable. But my husband and I used to make notes, and we used to discuss all sorts of symptoms and all sorts of things, and we used to go to our gynac and be like, okay, you know, now tell us what is it going to be like. Now what is the 4th month going to be like, because there's this new symptom that I've developed. Oh, now my feet are swelling, so what am I supposed to do? We had all sorts of questions. I was working through it, and just when we discovered that we were pregnant, I had signed massive action film. I did not know that I was blessed at that point of time with a baby. So I was scheduled to do the film. And my primary concern was, how on earth am I going to do those action sequences? Actions and stunts are not easy in the line of work that I am in. And I had to, I was still ready for it. My husband was the one who was even, he was a lot more concerned. I had to basically be in a harness, be on ropes, do these trapeze movements in the sky, and then land on like my knees, and then give a punch to somebody. So I had all that going on. And my husband then went to the gynac and said, you know what, this is not easy. Are you sure she should be doing this? Of course, the gynac had her reservations, and then eventually I had my reservations as well, and so I had to back out and say no to the film, which I'm very happy about now in hindsight. I prioritized my health, I prioritized my well-being over that particular film, and I think it worked for me. I think in the first trimester, that was, now looking back, it was the right thing to do.